Well, hello my little beauties, this is David Connolly here, the web developer extraordinaire, and guess what? It's competition time! That's right, it's competition time. Today is the day where things all become a bit exciting and fun round here, because today I am offering you the chance to win $500 for leaving a comment. So, what's the vibe? Well, it's pretty simple. I have a question that's been on my mind for a while. The question is, what is the best and most electrifying way for web developers to make money in the year of 2019? I want you to tell me and everyone else what represents the best money-making opportunities for web developers today. Now, I happen to have an opinion on this subject because it's the kind of thing I think about quite a lot. Let me just say, folks, my opinion is just an opinion. Don't take any of it too seriously. I could be wrong. I certainly don't have some, bullshit thing that I'm going to pitch at the end of this. It's just a wee bit of fun. And I'm just interested to know what you think is the greatest money-making opportunity for web developers in the year of 2019. Now, I am going to let this video run. This video is about to stop if it's part one in just a few seconds for part one, but I'm going to keep the video running and film part two right now, and I'm going to do a presentation, a very short presentation. I'm going to show you the screen and I'm going to show you exactly what I think is the greatest money-making opportunity for web developers in the year of 2019. I'm going to lay out the whole thing. There's nothing to sell. There's not even a guarantee that it could work. Look, I could be entirely wrong. But I'm interested to know what you think. And if anybody gives the same answer as what I'm about to discuss, then the first person who leaves that comment, you get $500. Congratulations. Now, let me help you out. Do you think the greatest money-making opportunity for web developers today is to land a good job? Fine, let me know in the comments. Do you think that the greatest money-making opportunity for web developers, do you think it could be building some kind of app? Tell me about it in the comments. How about teaching? Do you think teaching courses is maybe the best one? Let me know in the comments. I'm about to tell you what I think is the best, and again, I'm just one person. However, if your answer matches mine, then I will give you $500. Alright, let me know in the comments. I am now going to film part two. Here we go.